So we're calling this one green rice, but of course it isn't green rice. The rice itself is white. I'm using a basmati rice here, but I've got loads of green vegetables in there: spinach, peas, celery. You can put anything you like in, really. Nice little selection of stuff there, some bell peppers. This is beautiful. It's easy to make. Bit of chili in there, which is delicious. Let's get on with it. Vegan, healthy, vegetarian. Wah, 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 wee, wah. So let's take a look at what we have here. So I've got some spinach there. If you're going to use fresh spinach like me, and you could use frozen, by the way, and defrost it and do that. But fresh spinach, make sure you give it a nice wash in some cold water. Rice, I've got a white basmati rice. Now, I always find that cold rice is best. Hot and warm rice doesn't work out so well. And also, I prefer 1 day old rice. I cooked that last night, stuck it in the fridge. So it just works out nice. It kind of keeps it all separate and beautiful. Onion, cut nice and small. Then we've got green peas. These are frozen. Just rinse them out with some water. Teaspoon of garlic. Some fresh chili, optional. Cilantro or coriander. Now you could be using mint or you could be using parsley if you want. Celery, cut nice and small. Some green onions. The tops there, just, cut, nice little pieces, and green bell peppers. It's all kind of green, really, isn't it, apart from these two? So that's it. We're going to get to the cooker. We're going to fry this off. It's a beautiful, healthy, green vegetable rice. So you're going to need a frying pan or a wok or something like that. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. I've got the heat on quite high. We're going to drop in the onion, the celery, which I think is beautiful in there. The garlic, salt, black pepper, high heat, 2 minutes, keep it moving. So that is just 2 minutes, high heat. Next up, I'm going to drop in my spinach, my fresh spinach. Like I say, give it a nice wash in some cold water because you get little bits of grit and dirt in there. Again, back in about 2 to 3 minutes. This is going to cook right down. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to go green bell peppers. The frozen garden peas, and I'm going to add the chili, which is completely optional. We're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes, again on this high heat, keeping it moving. Now, if you want, think about, putting some zucchini in or something like that, or some other green vegetables. See you in a few minutes. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to put our rice in, and like I say, cold rice, 1 day old rice is beautiful. Just going to break that in a little bit with my hands, and we're going to go for about 4 to 5 minutes. We actually want to fry this rice. Don't do it just for a minute or so, it'll be terrible. So high heat, about 4 or 5 minutes. We are very, very nearly done. This is beautiful. So I hope you can hear that there. That is your rice frying. So we get a little bit of color on the rice. As you can see, just maybe there. That is perfect. Yeah, some people just put it in, chuck it around for a minute, call it fried rice, and it really isn't. Right, off goes the heat. Let's get some more green in there, shall we? Let's get the cilantro or coriander. Let's also get all of those lovely green or spring onion tops. I'm going to stir that in. This is done. I'll see you at the table. Wow, wow, wee, wow. And there you go, that is absolutely beautiful. Now look, I've got a little bit of rice here. I don't know if you can see that. It's a bit hot, but that's been burnt. It's got a nice kind of brownness. That's kind of what you need in there. Let me taste that. Delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thumbs up is great for us. Excuse me for talking with my mouth full, but that is super. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on How to Cook Great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.